Hi there, I'm Abhishek Inamdar from Keyframes Animation. Today I'm going to show you an Illustrator tutorial. In this, I'm making a flat icon design using Illustrator tools. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. I'll go to File, say New, and size is no matter. You can choose whatever you want because as of we are not going to print it out, but still I want to click on RGB, not on CMYK. If you see, by default it's RGB, and it's we are changing it to RGB. There is red, green and blue. If you see this icon, the choose color mode is different from the color space defined by the document profile. So right now we will go to and work with RGB. I'll say OK. So I'll take this ellipse tool, and I don't want color inside, so I'll say none, and I want outline colors, so I'll just take outline colors now. Be dark magenta, and if you drag like this, it will be not uniform, and if you press shift, the drag position from corner, but I want a very proportionate, so press shift and alt on your keyboard and then drag it. It is perfectly uniform ellipse you will get, and the outline is very thin. I want to increase the size, so let's say 15 is fine. Yes, 15 is fine. Make it here. And now I want a copy of this, so what I'll do is I'll press Ctrl C on my keyboard and Ctrl F to paste it. But if you see, there is nothing coming, but still we have a copy. If you check, press F7 on your keyboard. There's a layer palette shortcut. If you open this, we have two paths, but still we are not getting where is the second path. But if you scale it, press shift and alt and come down with the scale. This is the second path. So now I want to choose a different color for this path. I just say like this, slightly outside. Yes, say this orange is fine. Yeah, this orange is fine. Now again I'll press Ctrl C to copy it, and if you see here, if I'll say Ctrl F, that is making a copy. So likewise I'm making a copy slightly outside. Yes, just change the, take bright blue. Yeah, let's say Ctrl C again and Ctrl F again. Come down to the scaling part. So the color should be this is good. Yeah. So now I want only half of the circle, only half this outline. So how to do that? If you press C on your keyboard, there is a shortcut of scissor. So what I'll do is I just zoom it first, Ctrl plus. I just click on this and this. So if you see, this is half, we have cut it down. I'll just press delete. I don't want this, I don't want this as well. Again I'll press to this tool, so sorry for the interruption, and I press again V on my keyboard. There is a shortcut of this move tool. Selecting this one, press C to cut this here, and second is here. Press delete. Again I'll press V on my keyboard to select this path. Delete. again V, press C to cut, just delete it. Now if you see, it's perfectly on line. Be sure to make this on perfect line. If not, click here. If you select this one, you can select like this or to adjust it, so you can pull this anytime. So this one also can burn. Done. Now we'll just make some clouds. Again I'll take ellipse. This time I want color. Color will be slightly bluish. Don't want outline. So one cloud will be bigger one, then third cloud, and this will be a copy of this. By pressing Alt we'll get a copy. So now select this one and this one, press Ctrl G to group it, and you can place like this. If any in case this is going down, if you see, right click, there is an option called arrange like this. You can come, say, bring it to front. If in case this is something like this, you can say right click, arrange, and bring it to front. So same thing, I will make a copy. I'll press Alt and drag to cover this part actually. So this is done. Now I'll take a bright green background for it. So the color will be something like this. Slightly we can go towards faint, yeah, because too gaudy. So right click, say arrange, send to back. Just set this one. So sorry, I am not happy with this color. Again I will go and change. Yeah, the thing is, the all should look good. This color was been washed out. So I'll just take a rectangle. We have to show the shadow of this icon, so I'll just drag this one. Color will be some around this, maybe dark. Can rotate it like this, or you can go to Windows and say transform. This one is transform. So if you press Ctrl and close bracket and open bracket, it will go down. Open bracket, see, it's going down. So now Control, open bracket, yeah. So now from here to maximum point is here. So if you press Shift and the shortcut is E, Shift E, the eraser is there here. I don't want this. You can come down with this part like this. So the thing is, we don't want this part. For this basically we have to minus it, and the option is in Illustrator called Pathfinder. Go to Windows and there's a Pathfinder and it's here. So just to show you some of the options, I'll just take a rectangle and this one. Select, I'll say unite. This is all unite, so simple it is. So minus, you can minus it, intersect and exclude. So this is the options we have in shape modes. So now just select this one. So now we want to minus it. I'll just click here and press C to copy this bigger circle, and by selecting this and this, I'll say intersect. So this only part remains. So now if you press Ctrl Shift V, the bigger circle is over here, and then you can say right click, arrange send to back. This is we got. So guys, this was a tutorial, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, do let me know, and if you want some kind of tutorials, do let me know so I can make for you. And thanks for watching my tutorial, and always enjoy learning.